Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Sabila Yusma A from Math Education with Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. In this video, we are going to learn about fraction. So, I will discuss and explain how to solve daily life problem, and here we go. What is fraction? Fraction in mathematics are rational number that can be written in the form a over b, with the form where a and b are integers, b not equal 0, a not equal b, and the number a is not a multiple of b. Example of a fraction. Let's see, we have a circle. And let's see the circle divided into 5 equal parts. Well, we have 5 total circle slices. They all are equal size. We have 5 equal sections here, and 3 of those equal sections has gray color. So we could say 3 over 5 of circle is gray color. Then we can say 3 over 5 is a fraction. Based on the previous example, fraction have two parts, one on top and one on bottom. Let's see example of fraction. There are two parts, namely the top or the numerator and the bottom is denominator. That the one at the top is called the numerator, indicates how many sections of the fraction are represented. And the lower part is called the denominator, indicates how many parts the whole has been divided. And that separates the numerator and denominator in a fraction is the fraction bar. So, all fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. Next, in math, there are 3 major types of fraction. They are 1. Proper fraction. Proper fraction are the fraction in which the numerator is less than its denominator. It is often smaller than the whole, or less than 1. 2. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is the type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. 3. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is the combination of whole number and a fraction. It is basically an improper fraction. Next, we will try to solve problem related to fraction. It took Joy 3 over 4 of an hour to complete her homework in mathematics, 2 over 3 of an hour in English, and 3 over 6 of an hour in other subject. How many hours did she take to complete her homework altogether? From this problem, we can know to finish her homework on math, Joy takes 3 over 4 of an hour. On English, Joy takes 2 over 3 of an hour. And on other subjects, Joy takes 3 over 6 of an hour. Based on problem, on other subject, Joy takes 3 over 6 hour. So, this we can change it into be simpler. In the fraction 3 over 6, we will simplify with the both the numerator and the denominator may be divided by the number 3. And then the result is half. So, how much totals? Based on what has been known previously, then we can adding 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 plus half. So, in the step 2, we can change into the same denominator. So, on this step, we'll list common multiple from 4, 3, 2 is 12. And all the denominators will be 12. The next step, after knowing the equation for the denominators and then the numerator, we adjust. We will change the numerators by dividing 12 by the previous denominator, then multiply by numerator. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and then 3 times by 3 equals 9. Then, we have the 9 over 12. Next, 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and then 4 times by 2 equals 8. Then we have the 8 over 12. And the last one, 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and the 6 times by 1 equals 6. Then we have 6 over 12. After we get the same denominator and have changed the numerator, next we can total it. Because the denominator is the same is 12, next we can total sum the numerator. 9 plus 8 plus 6 equals 23. And the result is 23 over 12. Here we have result the improper fraction 23 over 12. Is improper because a numerator of 23, which is bigger than denominator of 12, and we want to change it into a mixed fraction. So let's divide how many times does 12 go into 23. 12 goes into 23, we can multiply 12 times 1 is 12. And then we need to subtract 23 minus 12 is 11. So the first thing is this gonna be the whole number, and so it's gonna go out in front. Our remainder will be the numerator, and then the denominator will stay the same. So we can write as 1 and 11 over 12. And then based on the problem, what is being asked is time. Then we can convert mixed fraction into time. To convert a mixed fraction into time, 1 and 11 over 12 is the same with 1 plus 11 over 12. So all we need to do is convert this portion of the mixed fraction into a time. We will change it into hour. Step 1, 1 times by 60 minutes equals 60 minutes. Then we have 1 hour. Step 2, we can times 11 over 12 by 60 minutes, and we have 55 minutes. So the answer is 1 hour 55 minutes. So Joy completed her homework in 1 hour 55 minutes. Okay, that's all for learning about fraction. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.